So in this RBC mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view or how to check or how to download past statements on your RBC mobile application. So once you open up RBC, I want you to go into the bottom right hand side of your screen and press on More. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down all the way until it says services right here. Then two options down it says statements. I want you to go ahead and press on that. Once you're here, you can go ahead and check for your checking, your savings, or your Visa, or whatever accounts you have open with RBC. So for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and check with the checkings account. Now that I'm here, it actually will show my last 6 statements. So if you wanted to go ahead and change that perhaps to 2025, 2024, etc., you can go ahead and do that. Then select the price rate or select the range of your choice, and then go with the statement this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to view past or how to download past statements on your RBC mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.